We are very thankful to our Honorable Principal Sir and our respected teachers who are providing us a platform to carry out our academics through online studies. Hey, I am Harmeet, welcomes you in today's morning assembly. First of all, I would like to call Bhavya to start the day with his wonderful prayer.
Good morning everyone, this is Bhavya from grade 5th. Today we will start assembly. So join your hands and close your eyes.
हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे तेरे बच्चे हम हो सच्चे हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम हे भगवान तुझे प्रणाम
Thank you, Bhavya, for a wonderful prayer. Now, I would like to call Gurshagan for the thought of the day.
Good morning to all. This is Kushagan from grade 5B. Today's thought is you cannot change your future, but you can change your habits, and definitely your habits will change your future. Thanks and have a wonderful day.
Thank you, Gurshagan, for your wonderful thought. Now, let's welcome Vaishnavi with a wonderful speech.
Well, good morning all of you. This is Vaishnavi in front of you. Today I'm gonna share with you a speech on online classes. Most of the educational institutes are closed in India and in other countries because of COVID-19 lockdown. By online classes, we mean conducting teaching and learning session with the help of ICT. Internet is an important player nowadays. We have lots of open sources LMS solution like Google Meet, Zoom, etc. Teachers are informing their students by email or WhatsApp about the time and topic of the online classes. During online session, teachers give proper time to think about the topic and then students have to frame their question as doubts. Thanks and have a marvelous day.
Thank you, Vaishnavi, for your awesome speech. Now, let's welcome Avni with our news updates.
Morning one and all, this is Avni from 5th. Today's some news updates are PM lays foundation for Ram Temple in Ayodhya. Flood situation grim in Assam, Bihar. Mumbai, 13 killed in building collapse. Now some sport news. Sumit Nagal get direct entry into single main draw of US Open. MS Dhoni has played his last game for India, says Ashish Nehra. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Avni, for your news updates. Here is our little star.
Morning everybody, my name is Amira from KG Lotus. Today my poem is बरसात बड़ी निराली ये बरसात रिमझिम रिमझिम ये बरसात ताल तलैया भर जाते हैं मेंढक भी जब टर्राते हैं ट्र, ट्र, नाच रहा है देखो और घूम घूम के चारों फल हरा भरा सब कर देती है सबके मन को भर लेती है थैंक यू हैव a nice day.
To make this assembly as a special assembly, Tirjot is coming with a great zeal and fervor to present Japji Sahib body.
वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा श्री वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Good morning all of you. This is Tirjot from grade 5th A. Today I am presenting some Japji Sahib lines are. चौपे चौप ना होई ये लाई रहले उतार भूखे भुख ना उतरे ये बनना पुरियां पार. मीनिंग चुप रहने से भी मन शांत नहीं होता. भाव बिना कुछ की बोले हुए समाधि लगाने से भी अंतर्मन शांत नहीं होता. भूखा रहने से या सारे संसारिक पदार्थ इकट्ठा करने से भी मन की भूख नहीं मिटती. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.
others. Thanks and have an awesome Blues Day.